Hi guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to get free energy from these components I'm gonna use this stator. I got it from a massage device. I need this motor 6-volt, but you can use more than high value than that. I made this magnet like this, got them from an old motor. You get them in the sides, so I joined two together like this. Got this battery with this 3.7, but you can use high value than 3.7, depends to your motor. I'm gonna make a rectifier using this with these diodes and this capacitor. So the rectifier it converts the AC voltage from what I'm gonna get from this stator, from the field magnet. I need this bulb, this light, to show how it works. So what about the basically what it is, I'm gonna put this magnet like this in the motor. So I'm gonna feed the motor with this power supply. Power supply feeds the motor. The motor rotates the magnet into this stator, and that will make a magnet field. A magnet field, it will give the electrons, when the electrons give us like AC voltage here. So to convert this AC voltage, we need to DC. I need to make a rectifier so I can get positive and negative, and from that positive and negative it will go to this light or any other appliance, and I'll get two wires as well to feed the battery, to recharge the battery. So it will be like a circle, and you'll have energy forever. I need some wires as well, and I'm gonna use my multimeter to show you the process. So stay tuned and let's. So the first thing I need to do is just to glue the stator so it needs to be stable on this board like this. So second step is connect this magnet on the motor like this. And next thing, I'm gonna make that rectifier. So now, after finishing this diode rectifier, as you can see here, so now from this stator this terminals, one go to this end and one goes to this end like that. I need to solder them like this, and the negative from here it'll go to so as you can see guys, you know, after finishing this diode rectifier, I need to stick it somewhere here. Like this, so I can be able to connect these two wires coming from the stator, from the coil, to here, to this one and to this one, and from the negative and positive of the capacitor here, I'll take those two positive and negative to the motor and also to the battery to charge the battery, and you'll see that after I finish soldering. So put some glue in here so I can put these wires away from the motor. So guys, as you can see here, I've got my motor with the magnet. My motor is connected straight to this battery through this switcher. I'm using the switcher on and off. So the other side I've got the stator. The stator, when the magnet turns, you know, spins, it produces a magnet field here, and that's gives the AC voltage current to this rectifier, and the rectifier converts this AC to a DC current, which is the output of this rectifier. You know, plugged to this light, and after that I'm gonna put an output from here to the battery so it can charge it, and it will be like a circle, you know. This feed this, and this spin, and this like produce the AC current. The AC current goes to the rectifier, and the rectifier converts it to DC to charge the battery, and it will go like a circle. And that's how we're gonna get like a free energy, you know, all day and every day. So here, as you can see now, I'm gonna turn the motor on. So if you look at the light, sorry it's noisy, but I'm gonna sort it afterwards. You can see the light now. Light is on. Water out. To put my finger in front of the light, my camera light, so you can see light. As soon as I take the magnet out, the light goes off. Put it in back. But I'm gonna fix it so it's noisy because the magnet touched the stator side edges. So when I fix it properly, I'll give you a good look. And I'm going to connect the two wires to charge before charging the battery. So guys, after I glued this piece here to adjust, I adjusted this motor, the position, so it can work smoothly and without noise. Now I can try it, and I'll need to switch it on. So as you can see here, our light is on now. See, I can hide my camera's light. And now I'm gonna measure, show you some measurement here. I think our battery is getting lower now. That's why I need to put some output here from the rectifier so I can charge it. So positive and negative here. So guys, as you can see here, we're producing a 4.60 DC volt, and we measured our battery's voltage. It's 322. So now I need to put some wires here so we can charge the battery from this DC power coming from the rectifier. Okay guys, so as you can see now, I turn my motor on. My motor is on, and now as you can see, my batteries is feeding and with the magnet, you know, spinning inside this stator, it makes like a magnet field, and it produces the AC current. So the AC current goes to this rectifier, converting it to DC current, and that's why we've got this light on. Yeah, it is that light, and it's charging at the same time, recharging the battery. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial for today. To the next one, hope you remain well, and see you in my next video.